Ehsan Mukhtar, Shahina Shahbaz win GCOE annual road races in Srinagar. Srinagar Government College of Education, ISC, MA Road Srinagar organized its annual college road race 2026 for men and women students, witnessing enthusiastic participation of more than 90 students. The women's 5-kilometer race was flagged off at 6:30 a.m. by college principal Professor Dr. Seema Nas from SKIC, while the men's 6-kilometer race commenced at 6:15 a.m. from Gupkar Link Road. Both races concluded at Foreshore Road near Nishat Garden after passing through Gupkar Road and the Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden stretch. In the women's category, Shahina Shahbaz of B.Ed. First semester secured the first position by clocking 35.5 minutes. Sabha Assad, also from B.Ed. First semester, finished second with a timing of 40.15 minutes, while Ujma Shafi of the Eki department secured the third position in 45 minutes. Tabinda, Halima Bano, Kusum, Rutba, Shaheen Kausar, Sonika and Minakashi secured 4th to 10th positions respectively. In the mains category, Ehsan Mukhtar Dar of UG 6th semester emerged winner with a timing of 25.5 minutes. Shaukat of UG 4th semester secured the second position in 27.4 minutes, while Haider, also from UG 4th semester, finished third in 28.5 minutes. Zakir Hussain, Abdul Rahman, Zakir Hussain Lone, M. Junaid, Imtiaz Ahmad, Muhammad Iqbal and Muhammad Ashraf Bimla finished 4th to 10th respectively. The prize distribution ceremony was held at Nishat, where trophies were awarded to the top 3 finishers and medals to the first 10 position holders by the principal and senior faculty members. Speaking on the occasion, Professor Dr. Seema Nas highlighted the importance of sports and physical fitness in shaping the overall personality of students.
Principal Professor Dr. Seema Nas. The race covered a distance of 5 kilometers for boys and 4 kilometers for girls. 90 students participated in the event with great passion and true sportsmanship. First of all, I congratulate all the participants for their wonderful effort and dedication. Winning is important, but participation and discipline are equally valuable. Before we begin the prize distribution ceremony, I request our worthy principal ma'am to kindly share a few inspirational words with us.
First of all, congratulations to all the dear students for participating in this annual road race 2026. every year, this is one of the very important sports event. Every year, this is a very important sports event that is organized by the Department of Physical Education and in which both men and women take part. I'm very happy to see that this year the participation of the students was, as mentioned by Inam, was 90, which is a very good number, and I'm very happy to see in-service teachers taking part very actively, both men and women. So big round of applause for all our in-service teachers, and their participation shows their determination that we indicate in our students when they join the college, that they move from their role of being teachers and they become again students. So this is a big achievement for our institution. As you all know, sports is it is as important as academics. It is not only important for the overall grooming of a student, but it is also important to have a healthy body, because when you have a healthy body, you will have a healthy mind. So dear students, sports, whether it is this annual college road race, or as I was talking, we'll be having trekking, we'll be having cycle race, we will be having camping, and all other events will be regularly held because I personally believe that investing in the activities channelizes the proper direction and keeps the mind also in a good shape. So all events for you, now that summer is on its way, the winters have gone, all sports events will be started from today. We'll be having them every month, and sports events can be held only with your participation. We also have an upcoming Inam, have you informed them? We also have an upcoming inter-college cricket tournament, and I was requesting Inam to have the practice round for cricket teams, क्योंकि cricket तो सभी का passion होता है, चाहे खेलना आए ना आए.
What about females?
Females, men, women. Females को कभी पीछे नहीं हम छोड़ते हैं, females को हम आगे रखते हैं और men को पीछे रखते हैं, मगर आप आ जाइए और खेलिए, क्योंकि आपका खेलना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Your participation is very important because you are our teachers. You'll go back with this mindset back to your college, and I'm sure you, with this transformation in you, we are not only transforming one student or one individual, I'm sure we are transforming the entire school where you will go back. So first of all, I'm very thankful to Inam and Daljit ji, under the guidance of Yasin Sahab, who is the convener of this sports committee, that they have organized this annual road race. But I'll take the credit to me कि मैं इनके पीछे पड़ी कि नहीं जी सैटरडे को ही करना है, कहते हैं मंडे को करेंगे, ट्यूसडे को करेंगे. मैंने कहा नहीं, अब हम ये सैटरडे को ही करेंगे, because already we have delayed this race, and events should not be delayed, they should be held on time. आज मौसम भी अच्छा है, आप सब लोग भी यहाँ आए, आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लगा, and such events I will again request the Department of Physical Education. We have a very energetic young boy Inam. He is a very good, very active player also. इसका पूरा आप लोग फ़ायदा उठाइए, ये बड़ा स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत काबिल है. और दलजीत जी भी हमारी है, वी हैव बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल, सो देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम. हमारे वैसे भी हमारा स्टाफ है, यासीन साहब है, मंसूर है, फजल है, ये ऑल इसका क्रिकेट मैच कराइए, एक बच्चों का क्रिकेट मैच कराइए, ताकि बच्चे जो हैं बोर ना हो जाए, मोनोटनी जो है एकेडमिक्स की वो भी ब्रेक होनी लाजमन है. So thank you dear students for participating, and lastly I congratulate those students who have stood first, second and third, both women, and I also congratulate those students who have participated, because winning is just a part of the process, but what is very important that you participate with the mindset, and your participation makes each and every program successful. So thanks to the entire department, thanks to the entire committee who came up early in the morning and organized this event. यहाँ पे खूबसूरत वेन्यू भी इन्होंने चूज़ किया, डल के किनारे पे, मज़ा आ गया, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, और आप सबको भी अच्छा लग रहा होगा. So with this, thank you very much. So can we start the process now?
Second. Minister.
यूनिवर्सिटी में फर्स्ट आके दिखाओ तो मारेंगे.
Fifth position goes to Loan.
इस बार क्या हो गया आपको सेकंड
Yet first semester.
बहुत अच्छा तालियां भी दो इसके लिए चलो
Second.
बहुत अच्छा वेरी गुड आओ यहाँ शाबाश
And fifth position goes to Halima Banu. Sixth position goes to Kulsum. Seventh
बहुत अच्छा शाबाश
to Shahi.
आया था दौड़ना
Of B.Ed person.
आपसे हमें बड़ी उम्मीदें हैं है ना
And 10th position goes
गुड लॉट ऑफ B.Ed फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर तो फिर उसको भी अच्छा लगता है ना हमें हम अपने टीचर्स को एनकरेज करते हैं
respected faculty members for their support and cooperation in making this event successful. Special thanks to Mohammad Yasin Peel, Convener Sports, Dr. Mansoor Ahmad Loan, Professor Bilkis Aslam, Mr. Fazil Elahi sir, Ms. Daljit Kaur for their support in organizing the event. I would also like to extend heartfelt thanks to all the staff members and every helping hand who's gone towards the successful conduct of this event. Their support behind the scenes is highly appreciated. Once again, congratulations to all the winners and participants. Thank you everyone.
आप इनको रिफ्रेशमेंट दे दीजिए ना इनाम कराइए डिस्ट्रीब्यूट